Introducing Spectrum Interior Wall Linings, the most efficient and durable panelized wall covering system on the market today. A new approach for fast and efficient installation of high-traffic interior walls. This system has very few pieces and requires no special tools to install. It is supported by a rigid main rail and in most cases removes the need for shimming. Hanging standards are completely independent of the wall studs. Featuring industry-leading compact HPL designed for beauty and engineered for abuse. With the Spectrum wall lining system, all panels finish flush whether they use a permanent or non-permanent attachment method. The panels are elegantly divided by quarter-inch joints. This system is fully ventilated, which prevents the panels from warping by reducing moisture buildup. It is also fully trimmed, making the finished look aesthetically pleasing, with 1,000+ style combinations to choose from and multiple panel heights with no limitations. Spectrum Wall Linings provides a high-performance system that can be installed 3 times faster than other comparable products. It is also back-ventilated and allows the use of larger format panels. It features durable compact HPL with a variety of style options to choose from.